If you just bought the Xiaomi Wi-Fi Pro range extender and your Wi-Fi signal is weak in certain rooms, this video will show you exactly how to set it up using the My Home app. This is the easiest and the most reliable method. Let's get started. First, take the Xiaomi Wi-Fi Pro out of the box. Plug it directly into a wall socket near your main router. For the initial setup, keep it in the same room as your router. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll see the indicator light blinking yellow or orange. This means it's ready to pair. Now take your phone, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Search for My Home. You can download it from there. Or if you prefer, you can scan the QR code printed in the Getting Started booklet that came inside the box. Now install the My Home app on your phone, open it and sign it with your My account. If you don't already have an account, just create a new one. It only takes a minute. I will fast forward the account creation process. Once you're inside the app and sign in, tap the plus icon on the top right corner to add a new device. The app should automatically detect the Xiaomi Wi-Fi Pro nearby. If it doesn't, you can manually search for it from the device list. Tap on the Xiaomi Wi-Fi Pro range extender. Now the app will ask you to reset the range extender before proceeding. Click on reset, then it will prompt you to select your main Wi-Fi network. Choose your home Wi-Fi from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, make sure there are no typing mistakes, then tap next. After that, the app will prompt you to connect to the range extender Wi-Fi. Go to your phone Wi-Fi and select Xiaomi Repeater V3 and connect it. Once connected, open the app again. Now wait for a while, the extender will connect to your main router. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Do not unplug it. During this time, the light may blink. Once the light turns solid blue, that means the setup is complete and it's successfully connected. The app will prompt you to select which room the device is placed. Select the appropriate room and then click next. Then it will ask you to name your device. This is just for naming the device inside the My app. Name whatever you want, click next, and then it will ask you to share this device with your family members. Click skip for now, and in the final screen, it will ask you to name the Wi-Fi device. This is the name that will appear under your Wi-Fi connections. You can either change the name, or if you want to keep the name exactly same as your main Wi-Fi router, turn on Wi-Fi roaming toggle. This will make the name of both your main router and Wi-Fi extender same. Now unplug the extender, move it halfway between your main router and the area where your Wi-Fi signal is weak. This is very important. Do not place it in the dead zone. It needs to receive good signal in order to extend it properly. Plug it back in, wait for the solid blue light again, and that's it. Your Xiaomi Wi-Fi Pro is now extending your Wi-Fi signals. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Please hit that like button as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.